I'm trying to paint one side because the side that goes against the no-climb fence was really hard to paint. So I'm thinking if I get one side painted, I can put that side against the no-climb, and I'll just have to touch it up. So the drift car drying rack is working out pretty nice.
You're gonna get black paint on your car.
Okay. The paint, it's okay.
Okay.
It'll be alright. It'll be like a racing stripe.
What are you doing in here?
Oi.
What are you doing?
This driving.
Boy.
There's no spiders in here. My
Look,
dad
it's got
said.
Oh, good.
It's got a Subaru roof rack.
Don't get paint on that.
It's alright, it's black.
Oh my lord.
It's on the, no, it's not. Don't worry about it. Alright?
Okay, I'm going to do chores.
Don't worry about what's going on.
Hey, blue man, no.
I'm going to do chores. Jerry's nice and loud. It was a soggy day today, huh, Pones? It monsooned today. I saw. Yeah, it rained probably. Annabelle? Jerry, I'm trying to talk. Oh my gosh. You have food. Ugh. Here's your food. Your food's right there. Eat it. She wants you to give her fresh food. And she won't be quiet until you give her fresh food. Oh my god. Okay. Hey, Annabelle. So it rained quite a bit today. Everything's pretty soggy. Look how wet you are. You got a shower. And she is spiced up. What's happening? Not too bad. It's really warm, so I didn't put blankets on. It's like 54.